Hey guys, this is India Trading Academy. My name is Dev. Welcome to the weekly update of Nifty. हम लोग यहाँ पे Nifty analyze करेंगे this week के लिए. So let's get started. If we want to give you overview of Nifty, what we are actually expecting. So that's what it is. We're expecting Nifty to tag this top without breaking this trend for the downside. Now this is an overview for this week or maybe possibly next week. But we are expecting Nifty to tag this top and then we can decide whether Nifty wants to go higher from there or maybe one more low from there. So those two possibilities are there to execute. But right now for this week, what we can do in Nifty, so as long as we are maintaining this trend, this is a short-term trend. As long as we are maintaining it, every buy setup we see, we are taking it. But they possibly give you one sell setup for at least till this trend line first. So if we want to take that sell, we need to analyze that on the market hours and then we can decide whether we want to execute a sell or not. But until or unless we are more towards the buy, unless we see a nice sell setup in Nifty. Those are the trade possible based on this structure and based on this pattern. Only that can be happen in the market. Now this market is very tough for intraday. Actually, we are also trying to trade it intraday, but somehow we are not getting it. Like we are executing a buy setup, but somehow it's not giving us a buy. It's having gaps and then consolidate for entire day. So that's actually a scene for intraday. But let's see what happens this week. So we will try to trade it. And that's it. So this is the update on Nifty. I'm sorry guys, we cannot, we were unable to make it live for few reasons and we will get back to live as soon as possible. If you guys are interested to learn all this stuff on your own, head over to India Trading Academy. Each and every single detail is available, or else you can join our trading room where you would see our screen from the entire during market hours. You get to see each and every single trade we execute. Alright guys, so this is India Trading Academy signing off. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time with another update.